President Pakistan proposes establishing trade triangle among Pakistan, China and Association of Southeast Asian Nations. The two-day session of the Council of Foreign Ministers of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation began in Niger today on Friday. Clashes erupt as farmers block from entering Delhi to protest over new law. Australia to sack soldier involved in Afghan killing. A CIA officer was killed in combat in Somalia. Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed has announced to launch the final phase of the army operation in the northern region of Tigray. A MiG-29K trainer aircraft from Indian Navy has crashed in the Arabian Sea. Pakistan regulates falconry as Arab hunting forays loom.